baby tiger! Why are your face and paws swollen like that? Please tell me what just happened.
I thought it was a hanging toy. I touched it so the bees got angry and stung me. I'll take you to the farm first aid barn. There we have cool water and very cute bandages. Thank you, Monkey. I'm scared of bees now, but I trust you. I hope the barn stops the hurt.
Please sit still. We're almost at the first aid barn. There, everyone will help you feel better very quickly. Cool water will help the stung spots feel less hot and swollen.
Oh, it feels much better now. Thank you, Monkey. I'll remember not to touch things I don't understand next time.
We're here. This is the farm's first aid barn. In Sit, we have everything we need to take care of you.
This place looks like a small clinic for the farm. It's clean and cozy. I feel safer here.
First, I'll wash the stung spots. That way the skin is cleaner and won't feel as itchy.
Next, I'll put on soothing cream. And then cute bandages. They protect the sting and also help you feel happier.
Look, the bandages protect the sting and look so cute. I look like a tiny superhero now. Look, the bees brought honey as a way to say thank you and sorry, because now you understand and won't scare them anymore. Thank you, bees, and I'm sorry for touching your hive. Next time I'll stay far away and just enjoy the flowers.
Warm honey water will help your throat feel nice. Drink slowly, and remember the safe lesson with bees.
Now I don't hurt so much. I want to go back to the yard and tell everyone how to play safely around bees.
Thanks to Monkey and the first aid barn, I can still have fun. But I'll always remember to keep a safe distance from every creature.
If we want to watch bees work, we stand behind this line. It's safe for us and doesn't scare or upset the bees. Today I learned we must respect bees and nature, and when we should stay calm and act.
Remember to read the map carefully. Follow the banana path for fun, Tit.
I don't need to study it. I'm a super explorer. I'll figure it out.
Come on, follow me. I see the play area. Yes, the banana symbol is right here.
This shady path looks cool and mysterious. I'll go this way.
Wow, a rock jumping course. This is so much fun.
Hey! My stone tower! Who is making so much noise during nap time? Oh no! I woke him up! Run away!
Atch, that's smart.
Well, look what we have here. Are you all right, kid?
Oh,
You have a map? Did you not see my house on it? Dan.
oh no. The map says quiet zone. I walked into your bedroom by mistake.
Easy there, little sprout. The path markers go right here, see? The play area is this way.
Sorry, nope, I got mixed up.
I'm sorry, Knob. I was playing and didn't respect your quiet time. I broke your tower.
It's okay. Just read the map next time.
I don't mind visitors. I just mind loud jumping when I am sleeping.
Now everyone will know this is Nop's nap zone. We must be quiet here.
Look, Nop is sleeping that way. We should be quiet. And the banana play area is this way. Let's go! Maps are helpful. They tell us where to play and where to be polite.
And apologizing makes everything better.
You are welcome to visit my garden if you walk quietly. Bye-bye.
Always check your map and look for signs. It helps us stay safe and be good friends to our neighbors. See you next time.
Today I'll catch lots of yummy fish. Oh, I think a fish is biting. Wow, tonight I'm gonna eat so much. I'll rest a bit, then bring the fish home.
Kids, today I still haven't found a single fish.
We'll only take it today. Tomorrow I'll find food the right way.
That fish belongs to me. How dare you steal from my family?
We didn't steal anything. We caught it.
From now on, don't steal anymore. If you're hungry, come ask me. I'll share. No dialogue in this scene.
There's a bell at the farm. When you're hungry, come ring it and ask for food politely.
When the bell rings, everyone knows you need help.
Wow, look at you go. You're fast.
Watch this, booyah!
Whoa, nice one. Bet you can't get me.
Oh yeah, take that. Nya nya.
Remember, no more stealing. We will ring the bell and ask nicely. Sharing the right way makes everyone happy and full.
When we learn to ask and share kindly, our hearts feel safe and full of love. The weather is so beautiful. I'll go play with Elephant and Duck by the river.
Hi, Monkey! The water is so cool. Come join us. Bet you can't catch me, Elephant. Wow! Elephant is like a giant water fountain.
Oh my! I played so hard that I'm super hungry and my legs are tired now.
Be careful, Elephant. The rocks there are very slippery. Are you hurt, Elephant? The water is getting cold.
I'm not hurt, but my legs are too tired to stand up right now.
Don't worry. I'll build a big raft to take you home.
Done!
This raft is super strong. It can hold even Elephant.
I'll use the tractor to pull the raft along the riverbank, just like a tugboat. Come on, Elephant. Hold on to the raft. We'll help you climb up. Hup. 1, 2, 3. I made it.
Thank you both.
Hold on tight. Captain Monkey is starting the engine. It's okay. I'll fix the rope. Great spotting, Duck.
Safe arrival! Passenger Elephant, please come ashore.
Hop on the back. I'll drive you to your barn to save your legs. Drink some warm milk to get your energy back.
This milk is delicious. Thank you, Monkey and Duck, for taking care of me. Don't push yourself too hard, okay? With friends to help, we can overcome any difficulty. With friends to help, we can overcome any difficulty. Hey, kids! Remember to rest when you're tired and be careful around slippery spots. Bye-bye!